Day 39 of posting on YouTube until I get 100,000 subscribers.
Can you please? Think you the shit, bitch? You not even the fuck.
Hey man, y'all see what's going on, man. We got the exploder and basketball prayer, man. Y'all see.
I can't fuck. He didn't say he gonna do it for me, man. I don't know how to do it. That's it right there. That's good, Pim. That's good. Pim, that's good. Pim, that's good. Pim.
I know. Who winning? Oh, what score? What score? 5-2? 5-4. 5-4? Who got next?
No, like your ear's fine, bro?
Nigga, yes, that shit just broke my arm. Don't they look like number 3?
Hold it. Oh, chill out. Let him do it.
What the hell? Part 3, man. We failed the first 2. Hopefully we got this one good. Look.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
You gotta use 2 hands, nigga.
No, that shit good. That shit good. That shit.
Yo, y'all ready? Y'all ready? What, in that ball? Yeah, it's a long. Yeah, it's a long. Yeah, it's a long.
This shit bleeding.
CD done fucked it up. 2 for 2. We didn't even do it right, bro. Subscribe, we gon' stop it.
I told him.
What?
Nigga, he know. I told him that you told me.
What?
That
It's on camera, this going, so.
your mom. Oh,
Alright.
your mom calling you.
Alright. Watch out, bro.
My bad. My
Stop
bad. My
playing.
bad. My bad.
Alright, look.
Answer your mom.
No, wait, hold
All
on.
right, let me. She probably gonna call my phone. Nigga.
Stop playing with me. Look, we're gonna do the.
My
We're gonna do
Can I
the.
get my phone?
This is yours. This little ass phone. Hey,
It's an iPhone 14.
Hey, all right, we're gonna do the order and 2 loud prank, all right? So we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who go first. So me and you gonna play rock, paper, scissors, shoot. And then if you lose, you gotta go against whoever loses out of them, okay? And then that's the person who's gonna go in and order 2 loud first. Cause I ain't trying to go first. Unless somebody just wanna go first. All right, come on. There's me. You come on. Best out of 3. Best out of 3.
You go first.
Best out of 3. Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 Alright, go. Brandon. Make sure y'all do.
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, go. Julian Darius.
Y'all go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Let's go. Hey, man, I really not like that. Like, I really don't say rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alright, go. I gotta answer.
I'm
Hit a cut on the TV. I'm just a G-nerd, dirtbag, breaking your shit. To get rich. Never knew it come to this. Lights, camera, action. I'ma call you when I'm landing. Get me, get the flashing. Michael Jordan. The one for me. In support of my dreams. You in the most? You on the TV. Put out the cell phone. You all your friends. Excuse me? Excuse me? May I get some help? May I get a bent mat?
Hold on, I'm trying to do something.
Say it again?
I'm trying to do something right here.
Oh, something wrong with the computer?
Yeah.
Alright. Your friends. This again. You never, never, ever, ever, yeah.
275.
Somebody order? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like 270.
Yeah.
276.
Do.
Hi, what would you like?
Can I get a Big Mac? A medium fry. A medium fry. I said Big Mac already, right? I said Big Mac already. Can I get a McFlurry? Add a McFlurry on there. What else you guys got? You have anything else?
Would you want a Oreo or M&M McFlurry?
All right. Wait, I said Big Mac already, right? I said Big Mac already. I ain't gonna say it again. My bad. How much is that?
What, the Big Mac? Or
Yeah, how much is that?
$5.69.
Now we rise to get rich. All right, that's it. You
Do you want the Oreo or M&M McFlurry?
Say it again.
Oreo or M&M McFlurry?
To go.
No, do you want the Oreo or M&M McFlurry?
It don't matter. The one for me, the taking my life is supporting my dream.
Your total is $13.66.
See on the TV, put out the cell phones. Oh, I canceled it on accident. My bad.
Okay.
Like this again, yeah. Yeah. And work?
Wait, no. It didn't work.
No. Can I do it again?
Yeah.
I just put money on this, man.
It was declined.
No way. You know what? I'll be back. I'm gonna come back. Cause it ain't made no sense in here, man. How a nigga broke? Damn. Yeah. Hello. Hi, how you doing?
It's another video. And today, in this video, we're going to show you how to get a free soda hack from McDonald's. Step 1, greet the cashier. He's probably already having a bad day because he's working at McDonald's.
Hello, how you doing today? All right, good.
Don't look suspicious now. Ask what's on the menu. You're knowing damn well you're not going to get anything to eat.
What do you recommend on the menu?
I don't know.
You don't know? I don't know if I want a burger or a chicken sandwich.
After all that jib-jab, ask for a water cup. And ask politely, too. Because if I was a worker, I'd be damn mad, too, if someone's broke ass came in here asking for a water cup, knowing damn well they're going to get soda.
Can I just get a water cup, please?
That's it?
Yes. You guys charge for the water cups?
No.
Okay. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, hey, hey. Goodbye. La 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 la. Goodbye. I still didn't get my cup. I still didn't get my cup. Where is my cup? Did I fail? I think I actually want food. Psych, I'm not gonna get food. Where is she at with my cup? She gonna bring me like a regular cup with water already in it. Watch. God damn it. Cuz. Where's my water? Huh? Where is my water cup? Hello. Thank you. All right, you too.
Can I get a number one? The meal? What kind of desserts y'all have? That's it? I'm gonna come get on your ass when I'm honey. Nah, I don't need no dessert. Let me get a number 5 and a number 7. Just the sandwich though. That'll be all. Rose truck. We gonna laugh at them and do the dash of it. That's it. I'm a stack, mister. I don't fuck with niggas. They know how I'm coming, nigga. Put a drumming in it. I drop a bag on a bitch, nigga. Did it go through?
No.
It declined.
Yeah, it said that like you still have a balance, but
That's it? It didn't take it?
it only took like $2. I'm pretty sure.
I'll be right back. Let me go get the other car from the car. I'll be right back. Just because you fuck with them niggas don't mean that I do. Niggas me and too many.
I get 2 double cheeseburgers.
And that's it?
Yeah.
It'll be 640.
Huh? Which?
Sorry, he has Tourette's.
How much? Huh?
Cheeseburger or hamburger? Yeah.
Let me check my card. Where's my card at? Where's my card? Let me rip it. Let me rip it.
How much
Where's
is
your
it?
card, sir?
Card. I gotta swipe it. You got that card?
Try one more time.
Where's your card at?
They decline.
It declined? Huh? How?
Bro.
What do you mean? What do you
I'm
mean?
trying to keep my composure, bro. Relax.
How did it decline?
Cause you got no money, bro.
I have no money. What do you mean I got no money?
Bro, it's not my fault, bro. You ain't got no money in your account, bro.
I have money, bro.
You got money.
Look.
iPhone 15 right there.
Look.
You got money.
Who?
He got money.
Him?
Baby, I can pop out right now, put my big one on these hoes down. I'm not acrobatic, I'm not flipping on my bros. No, all my shit be factual, I cannot get exposed. Grew up talking shit, I catch a bitch before I catch a cold.